Hello everyone, it's Cuteness here and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'm gonna be trying to be like drawing or something cuz I'm like not too good at it. And I hope it's funny to you to see me fail because um yeah, I would usually fill out my drawings and then eventually just give up. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying to draw a fox. So, hold on, that's way too big. Okay, this is the first tryout. It's horrible, I know. This is my second trial, and then I'm gonna do a third after this. This one looks like a cat, but I tried. I decided to do the face. Thank you guys so much for watching, seeing me fail on my drawings. It I really appreciate it if people subscribe to me and watch my videos. I really do, guys. Seriously, you gotta believe me. So yeah, bye guys.